Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel are in Dublin.
We are on the way to Blanharstown Shopping Centre. If you will think why Joanna just waving so weird, she just got a new Fitbit and she's super exciting because of that. I don't remember when I was here last time, but I think last year. It's quite far from me and nothing what I can buy closer to my place. And definitely they changing something because it's like work everywhere. They changing and do some extension and new lifts and new steps, lots of things, and they start the Christmas decoration. I decided to go to Primark to do some quick shopping, but I will tell you by myself very shortly in the few seconds. This is one of the biggest Primark, and how you can see I grabbed good few socks. This is my favorite part of the shop, just mirrors and the stairs. And this what shocked me absolutely like crazy. It's this section. It's a bamboo natural recycling, clothes and cosmetics, soaps and everything. Wow, I was just in shock. The clothes, everything, accessories, everything is like recycling, and wow, the Primark is absolutely the best.
Today it's kind of shopping day. I'm in a Blanharstown Shopping Centre, the biggest shopping center in Ireland, and I'm in Primark. I'm just walking around and checking what's going on here, and also I'm going to the one very big Polish shop, and after I will clean my car and go to the beach. And this morning I was in Halford and I bought a new beach chair, but I show you them on the beach.
That was quick visit. Now just the coffee in the Butler's. Butler's very Irish. I did a video about this long time ago. If you want to see, just check my previous videos. And slowly we're running for another shopping.
this Polish shop is super big and it's everything. I never saw so many products in Poland, and here it's everything and more than you can imagine. I discovered this shop like 2 or 3 days ago, but now will be my favorite. Absolutely stunning place.
How I said before, I never saw so many Polish products in any Polish shop in Poland, and I didn't realize it's so many types of cheese, yogurt, everything. Whatever you want is there, and everything is super quality. I'm shocked. It's absolutely amazing and super high recommended. I'm happy to finish shopping and just put everything to the car and go home as soon as possible, take extra clothes, take extra equipment, and we're running to the beach. I can't wait to go to the beach, and I can't wait to show you where I'm going today. See, I'm spending time in an absolutely stunning one and only Kilmurkey. Now sun is slowly high and getting cold, but it's still super beautiful. I enjoy my moon chairs. They are super comfortable, so easy to open. I highly recommend if you see somewhere, that's something what you can get for years, and the price was very good as well. I bought this in Halford for €35. And absolutely highly recommended. Super cool. I'm enjoying it. It's so stunning. If you're living in Ireland and you don't know Kilmurkey, it's time to use your staycation time in 2020. Come and discover this absolutely phenomenal place. I finished my time on the beach because getting really breezy, but I want to show you how they actually look like and how my moon chairs are easy to open. You see it's still tags on it, but how you can see, you just actually need to open carry bags. You have a handle, you just take out whole moon chair from the cover, but it's very easy to just move with this because it looks like a backpack. Now when it's windy, I just have no place to put it. But my lovely assistant who do the video just will care this for me. And actually you have a like bum done, one smooth movement and your chairs, it's fully ready to sit and enjoy. Was great. But now it's getting rain, and actually you can see little rainbow over there. Yeah, but getting rain and I don't want to be wet. It's too windy actually to be wet, but definitely place one and only, and I highly recommend if you don't know Wexford and whole peninsula with Lighthouse. I highly recommend to come and visit.
decide to drive around the coast because weather is still nice, and it's lots of bad news about another lockdown in Ireland, and I don't want to stick at home. I just prefer to drive how much it's possible. And we are in a beautiful Hawke Peninsula. You know very well I love this spot. I love the lighthouse, what you can see there. And of course I did some photo shoot for my car in front of the lighthouse, and on the very back you can see my super extra luxury moon chairs. Weather is stunning, breezy from the sea. You can actually smell the salt. Absolutely beautiful shadow play in front of me, guys. Absolutely dreaming place for just enjoying this afternoon.
For the very end of the trip today, when everything was absolutely stunning from the beautiful Kilmurkey and shopping before after Hawke Peninsula, I just decided to pass the Arklow and see and show you how the beautiful Arklow is by night. You can see the shopping center, bright water look absolutely stunning, and the bridge, colors, lights, absolutely stunning. Guys, thank you very much one more time for watching me. Please remember to subscribe me, leave the comment, leave the thumbs up. Let me know what you think about the video today. Tell me if you visit these places before, if you are from Ireland. Also tell me what you want to see in another vlog. Thank you very much one more time.